To make this simple air tool rack, you will need the following materials. Air tool couplers that fit your air tools. These are also known as automotive couplers. And at least 1 inch or larger angle iron. I'm using scrap from an old bed frame. I'm planning to secure the rack on the end of my workbench. With a quick measurement, I know what length I need. Measure and mark the metal, then cut it to the desired length. Space the couplers out in this manner to decide the best placement. Remember to leave enough space from the ends and in between so the tools won't crowd each other. Next, mark the center location where each coupler will be mounted. Since I'm using an old bed frame, the paint will need to be removed in order to get a good enough ground for welding. Therefore, I will mark the center using a drill bit so I can still see my mark once the paint has been removed. Once the surface has been prepped with the grinder, the couplers can then be secured to the angle iron. Next, position each coupler on their mark using C-clamps and weld them into place. Once each coupler has been placed, allow to cool and wire brush the welds. Now place the rack into its future position and mark the locations for the mounting holes. Drill the holes out using a bit slightly larger than the screw. The choice of screws that you will use all depends on how much weight will be on the rack. If you want a heavy-duty install, then I recommend lag screws. However, since I'm only hanging 3 air tools, lag screws will not be necessary in this case. Secure the rack into place. I recommend both horizontal and vertical mounting spots. Once secured, the tools can be plugged in for organized and convenient storage.